Mm. Now, you go first. Body fight. Open the flag.
Katana World.
Dungeon World.
Yamigitsune. Revival Body.
Immortalized Wings of Divinity Blade Wing Phoenix.
Okay. I go first.
Go.
Draw.
A bird deck with a bird sleeve.
Charge and draw. Call. Guardian Electro Beast. Goryu.
Go.
On entry, look top 3, put 1 to hand, and drop the rest. 1, 2, 3. And drop the rest. Pay 1 left. Oversize. Call. Cut Shadow Aoi Hime. When this card enters the field, discard a hand card. If you do, search deck for Demon Way with set and put it to your hand. Discard a hand card. Discard. Demon Way with set. Return to the underworld.
Mm-hmm. Cut shadow.
Cut.
Neko.
Set. Return to the underworld. Equip.
Mm-hmm.
Pay 1 gauge. Pay 1 life. A hairpin blade. Huzuki.
Go.
Call. Evil Ocular Arts. Yamigitsune. Pay 1 life.
Mm-hmm.
On entry, when this card enters the field, call up to 1 size 1 or less from drop zone by paying the call cost.
Mm-hmm.
I call this Premature Passing BB Kawazu. Okay.
No.
When a monster enters the field from my drop zone, draw card.
Mm-hmm.
Once a turn. Skill, when BB Kawazu enters the field, put up the total of 2 Skull Warrior and put it to the drop zone and shuffle the deck. One.
Mm-hmm.
Two.
Oh.
Cut.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Call to the left. Body call. Yamigitsune Revival Body. Take 2 gauge. Then Put 2 cards from drop zone to the soul. One, two. Anyway. Okay. Entering battle phase.
Go.
Attack you for 2. When your Skull World deals damage to opponent, destroy. If you do, top deck to gauge, gain 1 life, and draw a card.
Mm-hmm.
Turn end.
Turn and draw. Charge and draw. Call. Assassin Godly Speed criticizing Killua. May drop a hand card. Oh. Sorry. Cast. Unfreezing. Pay 1 life. If you do, look at the top 3 cards of your deck. Put 1 among them into your hand. Put the rest into the bottom of your deck in any order. Okay. Set mission card party form. Equip stuff of polarization, Kaleido Bane. Pay 1 gauge, put the top card of your deck into its hand. Cast Iris Lilac. Trap a soul. Look at the top 3, put 1 among them into your hand, put the rest into the gauge. 1, 2, 3. Into hand.
The rest to the gauge.
Gauge. Discard. Assassin Godly Speed. When this card, you may drop a hand card if you do put up to one size 2 dungeon enemy. Last friends pala. Adventure.
Dungeon enemy item.
Dungeon enemy item. Engage.
Draw 3.
2. Draw 3. 1, 2, 3. Call. For the Cobalt. Pay 1 life. If you this card enters the field up to 1 adventure with 4,000 power from your deck by paying its call cost. Adventure.
Call? Corgi Cobalt.
Corgi Cobalt. Adventure.
4,000 powerless.
White Silver Great Warrior. Cut. When that card enters the field,
Gauge 1. And if you have dungeon enemy, gauge 2.
call. Immortalize Wings Divinity Blade Wing Phoenix. Put 1 adventure and 1 dungeon enemy. So, you 2 gauge. Okay. Battle.
Go.
Defense check.
The 5,000, 1,000.
One.
It's one. Okay. How much power?
4.
5.
Ah.
Yan. Okay. Plus 6,000. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Correct?
If an adventurer
Yes.
discarded all monsters.
So good.
Attack all.
Even me?
No. All their monsters.
All the monsters?
Mm-hmm.
Penetrate. How many attacks?
Wait. At the start of your attack phase, I have another adventurer in a dungeon and you draw 2 cards. And then, attack. And then, this card gets quadruple attack. When this card attacks, gain 1 life and deal 1 damage to your opponent.
How many
Attack
crits?
all monster. Crit of 3.
3.
And then gain 1, deal 1.
Deal 1. 3. Penetrate for 3.
Deal 3.
Attack all. Attack opponent and...
No, monster only.
No, attack all opponent.
Monster. Attacks. Yeah, opponent.
And ping 1.
Double attack.